Hi guys, and welcome to the third episode of Avadhi Kissa Kahani. Today I have brought a small composition in Avadhi language which was written by Rafiq Shadani ji, and I'm sure after listening to this you will realize how rich Avadhi literature is. So let's begin. It is a conversation between a rickshaw puller and a tourist. यक रिक्शा वाले से पूछें स्टेशन ले चली हो हमरी सूरत देख के बोला तुम भाड़ा दे पई हो यक रिक्शा वाले से पूछें स्टेशन ले चली हो हमरी सूरत देख के बोला तुम भाड़ा दे पई हो फर्स्ट क्लास के 10 रुपया हैं सेकंड के ले गए 4 और थर्ड क्लास के 2 रुपया हैं ये है रेट हमार हम कहा भैया रिक्शा वाले हमका तनिक बताओ एक रिक्शा में 3 3 दर्जा वो कैसे समझाओ कहिस कि 10वां यस ले चल बे जैसे हेलीकॉप्टर 4 जो दई हो बिरिक न ले बे गड्ढा पड़े या ठोकर और 2 रुपया जो हमका दई हो रहे मामला उल्टा हम रिक्शा पे बैठ के चलबा आप चलई हो रिक्शा so you must have seen that it is a comic kind of composition and it was written by Mr. Rafiq Shadani who was an Awadhi poet and though he belonged to Faizabad but he was born in Burma in 1934 according to Wikipedia and it is also said that he uh, did not go to school so he was not able to write he did not know how to write but still he has made a lot of compositions which people even in today's time recite in different mushairas. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel if you want more of the language content. Thank you so much.